Hi Bazalama Mzito, welcome to Umkosi no Magajeni. I am Umagajeni. So guys, if we all have a brother like Father Patrick, the world will be the better place. I'm telling you guys, if we all had brothers or fathers like Father Patrick, we all had, the world will be the best place to be. Because let me tell you, Father Patrick, ubhuti Sisi guys. We know akekho umuntu ongazwisisi South Africa, the best musician guys, ama-vocals wakhe top notch. So guys, we know that Hamba Juba, the song Hamba Juba has been making us because kuba kuthiwa uSifiso from Piano Pulse didn't pay abantu who were part of the songs, and then uSifiso went to pay uSifiso, sorry guys, went to Piano Pulse and said, because he has a platform, he said he did pay abantu and he did a lot for usisi guys. There's a time owathatha i-25% yakhe wayinika usisi decided to give the younger sister or the sister. So guys, let me just put a video of Father Patrick and you'll see.
Guys, I'm so mad. I'm so mad, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be the type to be a bigger person. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be the type to be a bigger person. I saw that Piano Pulse video, Fiso. Bro, why are you lying, dog? Why are you lying? Why are you lying, Sfiso? I'm not gonna be a bigger person, bro. I'm tired of niggas and I'm tired of people bedlala fethu ngomuntu wasekhaya kanje. Yena bese yathula kusisi kusethule. I'm not gonna be that type, Oaks. Sfiso, why aren't you talking about how Sisi helped you when you had no money, when you were broke? Huh? Let's talk about how Sisi took you to the hospital. Let's talk about how Sisi became an automatic godmother to your newborn child. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Sisi bought clothes. Because umntana wakho engakwazi ukuphuma esibhedlela, uSisi had to buy clothes for umntana wakho. Let's talk about that. Ungenamali. uSisi gave you a chance wena Sifiso. Ungenamali, broke. Wasuka endlini yakho uSisi, drove to you, took you to the hospital. Unkosikazi wakho uyayazi leyo nto. Does your wife know ukuthi uSisi was the first person to buy clothes for ingane yakho ungakwazi ukuyithengela? Unkosikazi wakho elambile esibhedlela, uSisi had to buy food for unkosikazi wakho. Let's talk about that. You niggas are ungrateful. Ni ungrateful nina. Umuntu mayisengisizile sekubona imali siyakubheka imali awusakwazi ukukhokhela abantu manje. Awusakwazi ukukhokhela abantu manje. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how Sisi bought impahla zomntana wakho, your newborn child. Ungakwazi wena kwakuya esibhedlela uyobabona. Womile Sifiso, womile. Yazi umuntu ohluphekile wombona mfethu omile, even skin omile. Usuyakhokhela wena, usukwazi ukukhuluma kanje, usubonga uSisi ngeplate lamasimba. Baba singazodlala la. I'm not the one to be a bigger person. Forget. I'm tired, bro. I kept quiet about that other story. I'm not even gonna mention it here. Now I'm gonna keep quiet about this. I'm not, my brother. Forget. Let's talk about that. And you are saying when ukhokhele i-mastering yahamba Juba. Stop lying. Uba kambe lentwana lesengikhohlwe negama layo. Wena wathi le ntwana ifuna 200, angeke ngisho ne amount. Okay, now actually I'm going to say the amount. Wathi le ntwana wena ifuna 2.5. I work at office in the House of Tom. Now my receipt ukuthi I can't post here, Buffett. I'm sorry, I can't post. It's not my position to post. I'm a receipt la ukuthi sakho kamalini. uSifiso came to us, he told us ukuthi kudingakala 2.5. uSifiso couldn't pay for shit. uSifiso didn't have money, Oaks. uSifiso couldn't pay for shit. He didn't have money. uSifiso, we paid for mastering yale mali. Let me tell you how that money was paid. uSifiso came to us, usitshela ukuthi le ntwana leyana needs, angisazi uba igama lakhe man, but lo amfonelile izolo. Usitshela ukuthi he said he needs 2,500. Right? Okay, cool. We take the money, we pay. uSifiso, guys, ayikho payment uSifiso ayenza ngegama lakhe because akafuni ukusetshenziswa igama lakhe. Why? Akafuni into ezohlanganisa ipayment ne-ID yakhe. Why? Why is that, Fiso? Tell us why. So let me tell you what happened. Then we take the money as the House of Tom, we paid it to unkosikazi wakhe. Okay, we paid it to Sisi wasendela unkosikazi wakhe. And then unkosikazi wakhe kushuthwa bayikhokhela. Mase sibuza le ntwana ye-mastering ukuthi yena ucharge malini. Le ntwana ye-mastering yathi yona ibifuna u650 uSifiso came to us wathi bani 250. Lo muntu uSifiso had no money. Wayezokhokhela le ntwana u650. Le enye imali wayezoyenzana uSifiso. Now uSifiso is talking like a big boss ngoba esedla imali zehamba jubu. Seyiphumile imali zehamba jubu senze ngathi I didn't know. Musuqamba manga bro. Split shit sithini? iHouse of Tom ithola malini? Njengoba usuthi wena imali kwakumele iye kulo ayikho leyo nto. Ayikho leyo nto. Why wena uya kuKhosi uyelana uKhosi ngabe uza kwiHouse of Tom ama company aregistiwe ukuthi kumele athole imali and isplit sihamba kanje na kanje. You are ungrateful, Sifiso. Let's talk about how Sisi helped you. Yo, Oaks, imali yambheka umuntu mfethu, imali yambheka. Let's talk about how Sisi helped you ukuthi uye esibhedlela unkosikazi wakhe sezalile. Ingane yakhe ayinazo impahla zokugqoka, afford kwa impahla zokugqoka. Yeah, let's talk about that. Let's talk about how uSisi was the one buying alcohol e-studio for nini ukuthi niphuze ndakwe. Drink your swallows down. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about how uSisi was the one buying food. But akatholi ngisho i-percent. Hayibo kahleni mafethu angazodlalwa ngabantu la. Ungazodlalwa ngabantu, khokhela abantu wena Sifiso. Udla imali zabantu, ungazosa mfethu. Ungazosa bafethu ayibo. uSeptember noOctober kanti uJuly yini kanti? No, imhlola. Guys, I'm not going to be the bigger person. Wena uSisi wakulanda ingane yakhe izaliwe ngalolo suku ungakwazi kwakuyilanda, ungakwazi kwakuthengela unkosikazi wakhe impahla. Angazi nomnkosikazi wakhe uyayazi leyo nto wena Sifiso. Ukuthi uSisi bought the food for unkosikazi wakhe lambile esibhedlela. She bought the clothes for umntana wakhe ukuthi agqoke abe muhle aphume esibhedlela. Wakunika Oaks. Abantu masebenemali iyababheka imali. No, I'm not going to be the bigger person, Oaks. Forget, let's not do that. I'm not going to be the bigger person. So don't lie. Nale ntwana le master reshila ifuna 650 wena wathi 250, 2500 le ntwana ifuna 650 rand. Wena wawuzoyenzani le enye sele usumkhokhela 600. Musala uqamba manga nina. Nale ntwana usuyayifonela isikhuluma manga. Ya wena ungazokhuluma manga nina. Yazi ngakubuka lokho kusifiso la kwiDurban July mfethu ngakubuka ngathi kuyikhehle kungaka kufunana enganeni omile engasile mfethu ngezwe ngibasele because I knew everything kanti mangimbuka ngasho ngathi abona nje mfethu ubane into abamaphoyisa exist hayi kwakuzokwenza okunye mfethu ngambuka ngamnyange yezwa mfethu mawuthi ayibuka nalento kuyikhehla wazi ukuthi kufunana enganeni wabukeke lahlekile but I'm not too angikho la ngaleyo nto amla ukuthi usukhohliwe naSifiso wena ukuthi awunganamali wawumpofu wawumpunga mpumpu uyamazi umuntu ohluphekile mfethu azahlupheke ngisho ubone esikhumbeni uthi hayi kunzima la uSisi matter of fact uSisi gave you a chance without Sisi's vocals Coach uThemba Chuba was going to do numbers. Nale ngoma wayitshontshe kaSisi. Wayinika angisafuna ukukhuluma because we are on good terms now. Yonke into yalungiswa kwaGrand. Yonke into yalungiswa kwaGrand. Ngeke ngisabala namagama ukuthi ingoma wayithatha wayinika bani. I-hit wayithatha wayimosha wafuna ukwenza enye into yamosheka ingoma wayabheda. Uyizwile na ukuthi i-hit. So ungazozenza ngazi into entswempu la ungazozenza inja wena.
So uSifiso had a lot to say about how he helped uSisi, but azangasho ukuthi I was returning the favor just because there was a time when I was on my lowest and I didn't have money. If I didn't even have money to provide for my daughter, it was, I don't know the gender of the baby, but the newborn baby that I had, anginabenga nemali even ukuthenga impahla zokuthi umntwana aphume esibhedlela. And to answer Father Patrick, I think umfazi bekazi ukuthi uSifiso is broke because as a woman, how can you go to a hospital to give birth ungaphethanga impahla zomntwana? That means impahla zithengwanga, and we all know ukuthi impahla zithengwa umfazi. Ngithi even though Baba was saying, but you have to be there as the mother. So that means they knew both of them they are broke. You understand? And I think umfazi knows ukuthi impahla, even though angazikhambi ukuthi impahla zithengwe usisi, maybe ucabanga ukuthi indoda yenze iplan, but bekazi ukuthi they are broke. You understand? So I don't understand ukuthi why Sifiso angayishongo that part ukuthi mina nosisi has been helping each other. Yabona kanjalo bezwenza sense. We are helping each other, and I think if la ngenza wrong khona mangilungise wrong wami. But uMaG said, guys, unje uSifiso unje emalini okhwada kabi, and that's why Sifiso, if you are watching Piano Pass, you'll know that uSifiso uhlala balwela kabi labantu abadlala abarobha ama-artist. Uzaloku akhuluma nge-contract. Yes, we understand indaba contract, but we also understand ukuthi abantu who are desperate for i-career yabo ukuthi ikhule, and they don't have time to read ama-contracts. I've been employed, guys. I've been working for many companies. I don't remember reading a contract even once. Mama kufonela bathi woza amagajeni uchashiwe, uyaphuthuma lapha uphenye. They'll give you 30 minutes for some companies usayine fast. Uzobona ngelilanga sekuthiwa no i-contract yakho page bani ithi. So if yenzwa abantu abasebenzayo, abantu ojabulela ukuthi now ingoma yami soyizodlala erayidweni, sengizowaziwa icareer yami, something that, remember abantu who are in entertainment industry, more especially music, iphupho labo from a very young age. Uzova umuntu athi ngathanda ukucula from ngina-10. So people lakho selafazeka unesikhathi sokuread i-contract. Why wena as i-record label ungamniki lo muntu i-chance ukuthi ahambe nalento lo yeni? You get? So uSifiso kudala yenza lento le, and it seems like uSifiso ke akashi uyavutha this week because uFather Patrick akamniki i-break. If you go to TikTok Father Patrick, you'll know and understand ukuthi why thina sifollow uFather Patrick. And uFather Patrick, guys, let me tell you one thing. He's one man like South Africa who will stand for abafazi. He is one of the good men who will stand for injustice. I remember even that time nijabulele ukuthi ama-boyfriend wenu swazosebenzisa ibongo zenu as if vele beningabaniki amali ukuthi banilobole. He was one person obawathi, no guys, nijabulela into engekho. See, we have bigger problems in South Africa. Abafazi bayahlukunyezwa, then icourt ibona ukuthi kuwo wonke imithetho emele ibeke, sikhalela ukuthi abantu abagrapiwe abantu abagrape abantu mababulalwe. No, icourt ibona ukuthi ngcono ivume le yeyibongo. You understand? But again, guys, that is all for now. Please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.